that has not been bidded on. And the minimum starting bid is only $30. So come up here, take a look at what we have, bid on these items, and you will be able to win. So we have 10 more minutes before the auction closes. Oh, one more announcement I have here. Though it wasn't an agenda, but I happens to be Googling in the email of Mansfield ISD. We have one of our sons, though I don't know if the parent is here today. His name is Toby Fawahimi. He actually be one of the contestants that's going to compete in the Olympic this year. Toby Fawahimi. And yeah, he's from Ondo. So if you see his mom, say thank you for taking care of the child for us, and keep them in our prayer. He's attending Summit High School, and according to this, he said that congratulations to Toby Fawahimi from Mansfield ISD. Toby set 2 new records in long jump for track and field. He will compete in the 2012 game in London. So,
What's he going already?